Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get or use Snapchat for free on PC. So first of all, what you need to do is get onto your internet browser and download the Snapchat application from BlueStacks or any other emulator you think that is good enough. This is the Snapchat which I use emulator, that is BlueStacks, and once you download it, it would get onto your directory, download directory, and you can always open it up through RAR file, and once you do, it would take up some time to download. And once it is downloaded, you can always open up the BlueStack, and once you open it, you see that it has that Snapchat logo icon on. And once you open it up, so it works like your Android device or Android OS. So you need to first log in or give in your credentials to open up your Android or make an account there. Once you have made an account, you can go into Play Store and download the Snapchat. Once it's done, you can simply get into the Snapchat and open it up. So here my Snapchat is being started, and you see I can log in or sign up. So if I have an account, now I've given the permission. Now if I create my account, so and you see that what's my birthday, I can write it down. I have made it. So this is my username, and now I'm setting up my password. So this is my password, and now you see that my Snapchat account would be created, and I can use it through this. And it's asking my phone number, and if I can it, so I can continue down, and you see that it is asking me to create my emoji, and this is how you use basically your Snapchat PC, and this is working. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys have anything to do with it, any question, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.